Another summer day has come and gone away in Paris and Rome, but I want to go home.
Hello everybody, I am Parth Pandey of class 4. I am a student of Banbury Cross School. All of us need a house to live in. A house provides us a shelter and protects us from heat, cold, wind, rain, storm, enemies, animals, etc. Today I am going to tell you some important features about an ideal house. These are sunlight, ventilation, sanitation and greenery. First of all, I will tell you about sunlight. An ideal house should have plenty of doors and windows to let the sunlight in. Sunlight kills the germs and gives us vitamin D. An ideal house should also have proper ventilation to allow the air circulation. Let me show you some doors and windows of my house. Plants, don't we? An ideal house must have sufficient amount of greenery. Let me give you a fun fact. Spending time in greenery is a great way to beat the stress. We have guava trees, ridge gourd and gilloy climbers. Let's go to my terrace for a better view. See, I am on my terrace now. It is full of greenery. The climber has reached here. It has started bearing fruits. Let me show you. And this is the guava trees